Hello traders, in this video I'm gonna share you a trading strategy that made this channel person over $2,000 in 5 minutes scalping. I will test this strategy for 20 trades so we can analyze the strength of this strategy. Now in this channel I try to share valuable trading strategies and results so you can know exactly how to do and when to do and what works best. So I am myself a day trader, mostly trading cryptocurrencies, and so subscribe my channel now so you can't miss any profitable trades. Now in this strategy there are two indicators. One is TMA overlay, you will search for it, TMA overlay, this one, and the other one is TMA divergence. Here is one. Yes, we will take this one, accept, apply. Now that person only use it for forex, but I will apply it for Bitcoin so we can see how much effective it is for cryptocurrencies. So first of all, we go to settings of TMA overlay. We will turn off this 100 SMA, and we will also turn off these extra features like this cloud and these other candles, small ones. Now I think setting is almost okay. So second step is general step, that is whenever we have that I almost in every video I will tell you guys that rule this rule is fixed, that whenever candles go above 200 SMA we are only looking for long position, and whenever it is below we are looking only for short positions. So the third step we will be looking for this one is we will see for a pullback around 21 SMA. Now you have to note this, that 21 SMA and 50 SMA must cross 200 SMA before we take any position. So here they had successfully crossed this one, then we will use for any other trigger point for or long position. Now whenever TMA is showing this 3S bull, or in case of long position we have a trigger for a long position. Whenever we see this 3S bull, we have a trigger for long position, and we will for confirmation we use another indicator that name is VWAP. And what we will be looking for VWAP is the price to be staying above VWAP. It shouldn't be below VWAP. So this is for confirmation. Here is our first long position entry, and another thing that you need to note is that we will not take any early positions. We will take only position for the green candle to form, because price can also break this 21 SMA, so we need to confirm that we should stay above 21 SMA so before we take our long position. And for confirmation we will also see for our divergence chart that must showing hidden bull or bullish divergence. So I will repeat again, for confirmation we will be looking for this one to make and to change in color to green one. So and also we will use the VWAP for confirmation. So the trigger we already had triggered 3S bull and the price above to 21 SMA. So here we will take profit about 0.50% or 150 pips. So now we will look for some another example. Let's see if we can. Here I can see another buy signal you can see the price moves above 21 SMA, and there is also a 3S bull shown by TDA overlay. You can see here there is a trigger point. Now we will look for confirmation in using our TDI TMA divergence that is above our 50 line of oscillator RSI oscillator. So we will be confirming this because TMA divergence is also green and above 50, and we will take our long position here, and we will be aiming for about 0.50%, 0.5% gain or 0.80% gain, and the stop loss will be below the 50 SMA. Now I hope I had explained this strategy well, and if you still didn't understand this, I will give you another example. So we will conclude our strategy points by this, that first of all we had to look for the price to go above 21 SMA, and we will then also look for our 3S bull by TMA overlay, and we will also look for confirmation. We'll look for the price for the TMA divergence to be above 50. That is our confirmation. So in short, whenever the price is above 21 SMA and is also above 50 of the TMA divergence, you can take the position. So here you can see that is a good trade. So what I did here is I manually tested this strategy for almost previous 5 days in the chart, so we can get the real effectiveness of this strategy. So I tested it for the past 5 days manually on the chart using all the trigger points and all the conditions. So I will share the results in the description of the video, and I hope you like today's video. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.